you guys, and welcome back to today's video. We're going to be doing the eye look that you guys requested to see, which I'm so excited to show you guys. It is using partly the Naked Cherry palette. So we're going to start off with that palette first, and we're going to be taking the shade Devilish. I'm going to be taking that on my lid, and there is no translucent powder to set my eye. It is just the concealer, and I'm going to pack it on. That is going to give the most vibrancy to this shade, and I'm just going in and packing on the color. It is a little bit harsh, but now I'm going to go in with this little brush and kind of just start blending out the edges. To even further blend it out, I'm going to take the shade next to it, and I'm going to start blending it out a little bit more and bringing it up a little bit more, because I'm really focused on that upper part of my crease to create the cut crease. This is just a clean blending brush, and then blending brush. Then I'm going to go back in with Devilish again, and I'm going to do this same technique twice, or maybe 3 times. I actually think I did it 3 times. This is really just preference to you, depending on how deep you want that color. I did have to go in with a different blending brush because I wanted that color to get really popping and really pigmented. So that is where I'm at right now. And then again, I'm just going to blend everything out. To deepen up the crease a little bit more, we're going to dive into this palette, which is called the Game of Cones. This is actually from BAKERIE, and I'm going to take that on the crease and blend it in even more, so that way we have just a little bit more depth. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to start cutting everything using a little bit of concealer, and I'm just going to be taking this small brush. I do believe we got this in our BoxyCharm, and I'm just going to create a cut crease. For the lid shade, we're going to go in with 2 shades. I'm going to be taking a light pink and a purple. I'm going to be taking this flat shader brush, and I'm going to start packing the outer corner. You want to be as precise with this as you can, because you are trying to leave a little bit of a gap, because you want that concealer to kind of show through in between. So this one does take me a little bit of time, but it's really not that hard, you guys. It's actually looks more intimidating than it actually is. So as long as you have a sharp brush with a sharp tip, you'll be perfectly fine. So I'm just going to pack that on, and then I'm going to take that light pink shade and blend those 2 colors in together. For lashes, I'm going to finish off with these lashes called REILYNN. This is by the company Ray Beauty, and I'm going to go ahead and finish off with the face. I did do my foundation and concealer in the other video, which was my first impressions on the Revlon foundation and concealer, so I'll go ahead and link that below if you guys haven't seen it. But I'm just using a Revlon blush to apply. We're going to move back into the eyes, and I'm going to be taking this new roller liner from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm applying that to my waterline. And then we're going to go back in with the Cherry palette, and I'm going to use the deepest shade in that palette to really push up against my lash line. I really want to keep my eyes really open and wide, just because of everything that's going on top. I feel like if I was to put a black liner, it would just make it too intense for me, so I just decided to go in with the white liner. Then I'm going to take Devilish and kind of blend out the bottom portion of my lashes even further. So to finish off the eye look, I did apply a little bit of glitter, which is totally optional for you guys. I just wanted to add a little pizzazz, and then we're going to finish off in the face. I'm going to be taking this palette from the Decay Cosmetics. This here is the Everglow palette, and I love this palette, you guys. It's so good. And I'm just going to apply that to the high points of my cheeks, and then I'm going to finish off with my lips. I am going to be taking a lip liner and a liquid lipstick for my final look. And besides that, I think we have the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know down below what your thoughts are on this eye look. I do have a few more eye looks that I kind of like to create for Instagram, and if you guys like these kind of close-up shots of these eye looks, let me know. I can totally put together just a quick eye look. I do like doing these. I find them to be really fun and easy, and it really allows me to get very creative with my colors. So thank you again for watching. I love you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.